In the vast landscape of interior design, there is one piece of furniture that defines the soul of a home: the sofa. It is the center of our lives, the anchor of our living rooms, and the ultimate expression of our personal style. Today, we are not just looking at furniture, we are witnessing a revolution in craftsmanship. We are embarking on a visual journey through over 100 of the most exquisite, modern, and luxury stainless steel sofa designs ever conceived. Every masterpiece starts with a vision. For the modern home, that vision is often rooted in the philosophy of less is more. Observe the clean geometric lines and the minimalist Scandinavian aesthetics that lead our collection. We see the rise of the SS and MS hybrid, where the strength of mild steel meets the eternal shine of stainless steel. These designs featuring matte white powder-coated frames aren't just seating, they are sculptures. Notice the floating seat designs that create an illusion of weightlessness, making even the most solid metal structures feel light and airy against polished concrete floors. But a sofa is nothing without its touch. As we glide through these first few designs, pay close attention to the textures. Premium light beige linens, soft cream boucle, and high-density foam that promises a lifetime of comfort. These materials are chosen not just for their beauty, but for their ability to transform a cold metal frame into a warm, inviting sanctuary. This is just the beginning. As we move forward, we will see how light interacts with different finishes, from the soft glow of natural daylight on brushed steel to the sharp, cinematic shadows of a modern loft. We are setting the stage for a new era of elegance. Whether you are looking for executive lounge furniture or a statement piece for your luxury residence, the journey of discovery starts here. Prepare to be inspired by the fusion of handcrafted precision welding and visionary design. As our journey continues, we move away from the bright, airy minimalism and step into a world of bold character and undeniable strength. This is the realm of the industrial aesthetic, a style that doesn't just sit in a room, but commands it. When we look at over 100 designs, the ones that often stand out the most are those that embrace the power of shadows. Observe the transition to matte black square tube steel frames. There is a raw, architectural honesty in these pieces. The structural geometry is exposed, celebrating the seamless welds and the handcrafted precision that goes into every joint. But look closer at the details that break the coldness of the metal. Notice the integration of walnut hardwood armrests, a perfect marriage of organic warmth and industrial grit. This combination is designed for the modern loft, the urban sanctuary where style has no boundaries. Moving into the executive space, we encounter the pinnacle of dark luxury: black titanium-coated stainless steel. This isn't just a color, it's a finish that exudes authority. Paired with charcoal leather upholstery, these sofas represent the ultimate in executive lounge furniture. The SS304 square tube frames, finished in a deep matte black, offer a durability that matches their visual impact. What makes these dark-themed designs so compelling is how they interact with light. In a cinematic setting, the deep tones create realistic shadows that add depth and dimension to your living space. Whether it's the rugged charm of charcoal gray fabric or the sleek, professional touch of leather, these sofas are built for those who lead. They are for the visionaries who appreciate the fusion of heavy-duty metal and high-end comfort. Every line is intentional, every proportion is elegant, and every piece is a testament to the fact that true luxury often hides in the shadows. Beyond the stunning aesthetics and the shimmer of gold or matte black, lies the true soul of our furniture, the uncompromising pursuit of perfection. When you are looking at a collection of over 100 designs, it's easy to get lost in the beauty, but the real story is told in the details you might not see at first glance. It's in the soul of the steel and the precision of the hands that shape it. Every frame starts with high-grade SS304 and mild steel, but strength is nothing without precision. Our craftsmen dedicate hours to handcrafted precision welding, ensuring that every joint is not just strong, but invisible. These seamless welds are the hallmark of true luxury. Whether it's a complex structural geometry or a simple rounded corner, the transition between metal surfaces is as smooth as glass. This is where industrial engineering meets fine art. But we know that a sofa is meant to be lived in, not just looked at. That's why we obsess over what's inside. Beneath the premium charcoal leather, the soft white velvet, and the trendy cream boucle lies layers of ultra-high-density foam. This ensures that the elegant proportions you see today remain unchanged even after years of use. Each cushion is engineered for the perfect balance, firm enough to support, yet soft enough to sink into. From the ultra-detailed metal finishes to the realistic upholstery textures, no element is left to chance. We select only the finest walnut hardwoods for our inserts and the most durable PVD coatings for our frames. It's a holistic approach to design where every screw, every stitch, and every polished surface must meet our 5-star standard. This technical excellence is what allows our furniture to transition seamlessly from a high-end executive lounge to the intimate setting of your luxury residence. We don't just build sofas, we build legacies of comfort. We have traveled through a world where metal becomes art and comfort becomes a lifestyle. From the airy, minimalist heights of Scandinavian-inspired designs to the bold, commanding presence of industrial masterpieces, we have seen how over 100 unique visions can transform a simple living space into a sanctuary of luxury. This journey has shown us that a sofa is more than just furniture. It is the heart of your home, the silent witness to your life's best moments, and a true reflection of your success. At SteelTech, we don't just follow trends, we set them. Our dedication to handcrafted precision welding, our obsession with premium SS304 and PVD coating, and our commitment to using only the finest velvets, leathers, and hardwoods are what make this collection extraordinary. Whether you are looking to furnish a 5-star hotel lobby, a modern executive lounge, or your own private luxury residence, our designs are built to stand the test of time, both in durability and in style. Your home deserves a masterpiece, your office deserves an identity, and you deserve the ultimate in comfort. We invite you to choose a piece that resonates with your soul, a design that speaks of your journey and your taste for the finer things in life. Every curved armrest, every polished frame, and every high-density cushion in this collection has been crafted with you in mind. Thank you for joining us on this visual exploration of luxury and design. If you have found the piece that speaks to you, or if you wish to bring a custom vision to life, we are here to make it happen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more design inspiration, and comment below which of these 100 designs captured your heart. Elevate your living, define your legacy. Welcome to the future of furniture.